With SAP Business One, you can configure the system to let you know when there's something happening inside the system that you need to be aware of. For example, let's say you might decide that when an inventory stock level falls below a certain point, you want to be advised that it's time to reorder. Or when a certain customer buys a product, or when a transaction falls within a certain range of values. For example, if an invoice or a sales order is being done where the margin is below 10%. SAP Business One allows you to do that quickly and easily using the alerts functionality. I'm going to show you how we do that with a standard alert. It's very, very easy to set up these alerts. You go into Administration and you'll see we have Alerts Management. Now, with the Alerts Management, there are a number of predefined alerts, and you can see those very, very simply. We put in an asterisk. That is a wildcard search, and it brings up a list of all of the predefined alerts that come with SAP Business One. And you can see some examples along the lines of what I was talking about. If there's a deviation from the percentage of gross profit, if there's a deviation from a budget, from a commitment limit, from a credit limit, or whatever the case may be. Important to understand that alerts only tell you when something's happening. It doesn't stop it from happening. If you want to stop something from happening and trigger off an approval process, then you need to use our workflows and approvals, which I'll show you very, very shortly in another demonstration. How do I then select this particular alert? Let's say deviation from percentage of gross profit. I simply select that. I want to tell the system to make it active, and then I want to flag here what's my profit percentage. So if the profit level is 10% or less, so I put in 10 as my profit percentage, I want to let some people know. Well, who do I want to let know? Well, just for the sake of the exercise, to make this nice and easy, I'm going to let the manager know. And who is the manager? Well, I am. So I'm going to tell myself if I do something wrong. I'll go in here and I'm going to tell the system, send this alert through the internal alerting system, and it will then come up here in this messages and alerts window. So let's go ahead and we'll set that against the documents. So I can say, I only want this alert to check certain documents. I want it to check the sales quotations. I want it to check the sales orders, but that's pretty much it. Because you know what? Once I've gone to the delivery or the accounts receivable invoice point, it's probably too late because I've already made a commitment to the customer that this is the price I'm going to sell the product to them for. And of course, in different countries, once you make that commitment on a price, you've made a statement or you've issued a contract and you can't change it. Of course, the flexibility is there in SAP Business One to match your country's legal requirements. But I'm going to say sales quotations and sales orders are the two documents that we're going to check. And I'll say update, and that's now done. So then what will happen? Let's now go and create a sales order where I'm going to make sure that my margin, my gross profit percentage, is less than 10%. So I'll go in here and say sales order. I'll quickly create a sales order. And I'm going to create my sales order. Again, we'll choose Earthshaker Corporation. And what are they going to buy? Well, they're going to buy some IBM InfoPrint printers. And they're going to buy 10 of them. Now, one thing I need to check. I need to make sure that the price I put in is going to generate that alert. But I can check the gross profit on any transaction simply by right-clicking here and saying, show me the gross profit. Right? So my base price is $379. My sales price is $500. So right now I've actually got quite a good profit percentage. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to misbehave and I'm going to change my price to $380 per printer. And now I'll say add. Now, once again, there's our functionality in SAP Business One. Hey, you've missed some information, got to put in the delivery date. I'll put in today's date. I'll say yes to that. And now I'll say add. And that's now done. My sales order is now in the system. Now, immediately, what do you now see up in the top right-hand corner? Our messages and alerts functionality has triggered, and there is an alert that has come up here letting me know that I have a deviation from percentage from gross profit, and this sales order was created by Richard Duffy, and I can drill down and I can look at this order. Now, there it is. I can see there's the details. What was the actual gross profit? Whoa, so that's not particularly good. My gross profit was only 1%. So that's not a great situation to be in. What am I going to do about it? Well, I'd probably want to go and have a conversation with myself and tell myself not to do that again. But, this is a classic scenario where this is the kind of thing that you might want to, rather than doing an alert, too late, the horse is already bolted, as they say, to change this into a workflow. So when something like this happens, the system will actually trap the transaction and put it on hold and send a message to somebody to let them know that this is going to happen. Because there might be a perfectly valid reason to sell a product at cost or only a little bit above cost or even below cost. But you want to really make sure that it doesn't happen without the correct authorization. In our demonstration of the workflow functionality, I'm going to show you how you can do just that.